It's time to get controversial with a GoAnimate YouTuber tier list. Now, since everyone basically in the GoAnimate community is making a tier list, I decided to do my own. It's totally not a rip-off of GoAnimate. So, I'll actually give credit to Luke. I'll put his channel and a video in the description so you guys can watch it. It's a pretty good video. I like it, and you guys should go watch it. So yeah. Okay, so let's start with Nathan Saturn Boy. So many people are stating that he's a really good GoAnimator, but I never liked his content. I really never enjoyed his content. So I'm gonna either put him on C or on D. Well, his content's pretty average, so I'll put him on C. What the fuck am I? There we go. There we go. C. Okay, next up we have Suya, who she doesn't really do GoAnimate that much now, but I don't know. I can put her, but her content used to be really good. Like in the past, she used to make really good content, but monetization like fucked her channel. So, because she went mentally insane, well, she doesn't upload too frequently as well, so I'll put her on D. There we go, D. Alright, next up we have Rainboy, who, well, for obvious reasons, I'm gonna put him on F for obvious reasons. I don't like his content, his videos lag, and also he's basically a pedophile, and who likes pedophiles at this point? Okay, so next up we have GoTube, and let me resize him really quick. Okay, so I really like his content, but I prefer his GoAnimate ones. So I'm just gonna put him on A. There we go. The next one's gonna be an S, I promise. Next up we have Isaac Anderson Animations, and you all know where he's going. You all know where he's going, and for obvious reasons. Really fluid animation, great content. So definite S. Definite S. Right here we have a GoAnimate channel on the rise, who is doing pretty good with GoAnimate. Happy about it, to be honest. SB Animate 2016. I don't really like his content, but it's alright. So I will put him on average. His content does not appeal to me, but nothing against you if you like his content. I'm just saying that his content does not amaze me. Next up we have Brent Animate. You all know where he's going as well. So, his content is really cool. He inspired me to basically make each and every one of my videos, and overall his content's pretty good, so I'm just gonna put him on S for obvious reasons. And also he uploaded daily, but no, he doesn't. I really like watching his old content though, so yeah. Now next up we have Fart Noise 9, who used to be a GoAnimator and used to make really good content on GoAnimate. So he's going on to A for really obvious reasons. He puts a lot of editing, and I know I'm copying Luke's words right now, but he does put effort into his animations and onto his editing, so he's going on S. Next up, we have another S. So T-Bone. He used to make GoAnimate videos. Now he's T-Bone No Death Productions, and he makes Roblox content and just gaming in general. But I really like his content, so he's going on S for the reasons I just told. Next up, we have Cody the Beyonder 2009. So Cody's content's pretty average. Actually, I'm gonna put him on B. His content's pretty cool. We're just basing off content in this tier list, not personality. Rainboy, I didn't just put him here because he's a pedo. I put him here because, you know, obvious reasons. Actually, making he made some really weird shipping photos out of GoTube and GoTest, I can tell you that. And that's considered content as well, so F. Next up, we have Canadian Scout, whose crapping I did really bad, but I mean, yeah. So Canadian is going on to S for really obvious reasons. I really like his content. His storytelling is good, and just his content in general, it's really nice. And like you enjoy it basically. That's what matters. And finally, we have GoTest. So GoTest's content it's pretty average. It's actually, I think I'm gonna put him on B. His content's good. So yeah. So this is the final product. This is the tier list. It didn't have many GoAnimators, but tell me if you enjoyed it in the comments. And I'll make more content soon, I promise. This was just a really dumb idea that came onto my head. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and bye.